Murky waters, hide away your sons and daughters, eat you alive. Levels, better put your head on swivels, dance with the very devil, butter tonight. You think you're better than them, better than them. You think they're really your friends, really your friends. But when it comes to the end, you're just the same as them, same as them. So let it go, that's the way that it goes. First you're in, then you're out, everybody knows. You're hot, then you're cold, you're a lot in the dark. Just you wait and you see that you're swimming with sharks. It's gonna get you, woo, woo. It's gonna get you, woo. Bubbles, drowning, you're seeing doubles. Don't you let them see your struggles, hiding your tears. Crisis, take advantage of your niceness. Cut you up in even slices, prey on your feet. You think you're better than them, better than them. You think they're really your friends, really your friends. But when it comes to the end, you're just the same as them, same as them. So let it go, that's the way that it goes. First you're in, then you're out, everybody knows. You're hot, then you're cold, you're a lot in the dark. Just you wait and you see that you're swimming with sharks. Gonna get you, woo, woo. Gonna get you, Gonna get you, woo, woo. Gonna get you, Every time my heart is beating, I can feel the recipe. I wonder if my day is coming, blame it on the entropy. My blood is pumping, I can see the end is right in front of me. Don't take it from me, I could be everything, every day.
Let's learn Sharks. It's choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 2 after 48 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Sharks. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right, and as you step forward with your right, you're going to rotate your hips counterclockwise from left to right, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now going to bring your left foot behind your right. We're going to repeat that, stepping forward with our right and rotating our hips counterclockwise from left to right, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then step your left foot behind your right. We're now going to do a right lock step forward. So we're going to step forward with our right. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step forward with your right foot. We're now going to rock forward with our left, recover back onto your right, and quickly step your left foot to the left side, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping with your right and rotating your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2, we're going to touch our right toe next to our left and hold. You're now going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and point your left toe to the left side and hold. You're now going to quickly bring that left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and we're going to do a right crossing shuffle, crossing right over left, left side, right over left. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and step your right foot to the right side. So let's try that with some count for facing 9 o'clock. Weights on your left. That is an and count. We're starting with our touch with the right. 1, hold, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and quickly step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a right lock, step back, stepping back with your right, crossing that left over your right, step back with your right. You're now going to rock back onto your left foot and recover onto your right. So let's try that with some counts, weights on your right. You're doing that cross rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do turning hip bumps. Where our first one's going to be a half, the second one is going to be a quarter. So we're going to start making a quarter turn over our right shoulder. As you touch your left toe to the left side, you're going to bump your hip to the left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to bump your hip to the right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you bump your hip to the left and put your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter turning one, so we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder. As we touch our right toe to the right side, you're going to bump your hip right, left, right, and put your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're now going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You'll be facing about 7:30. We're now going to do a 3/8 turning sailor step. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face about 4:30. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to square up to 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just rock back, recover, weights on our right foot. You're doing those turning hip bumps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and hold. You're now going to quickly cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to bring your right foot next to your left, and we're going to roll our hips counterclockwise, making 2/8 of a turns to face 9 o'clock. So as you step this right foot next to your left, you're going to roll your hips around. So now you're facing about 10:30, and then we're going to do it again around, facing 9 o'clock. When you do that, you want to kind of switch your weight between one foot and the other, kind of like you would if you were pivoting, but in place without stepping your foot to the side. Now there is a hand motion. When you do those pivots, you're going to rotate your hand like a lasso the same direction as your hips. So we're rotating our hips from left to right. You're going to roll, roll, and it's all in kind of your spot. Let's try that with some counts. We just finished our sailor step, weights on your left. We're stepping to the side. It's 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, we're going to repeat that, but change the ending slightly. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to hold. Quickly cross your left behind your right. Step your right foot to the right side. Cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. And now we're going to do a full turn, traveling over our left shoulder. You're going to make that half turn, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And if you don't want to turn, you can do 2 walks forward. So let's try that with some counts, weights on your left. We're stepping to the right. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7. We're going to do a rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward onto your left. You're now going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal, and we're going to sway our hips to the right and sway your hip to the left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You just came out of that turn. You're doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8 and our final section of the dance. Now, this section is going to change if you choose to do it. On the odd walls, it's going to have a turn, and on the even walls, it's not going to turn. So I'm going to show you both options, and you can choose to rotate between the two, or you can choose to just stick to one or the other. It is a styling choice. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a right lock, step back, stepping back with your right foot, cross that left foot over your right, step back with your right foot. Now, if you don't want to turn, you're going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, and then you're going to do a left lock, step forward, stepping forward with your left, bringing that right foot in and behind your left, and step forward with your left. And that would be how you would do all the even walls, or if you did not want to turn. Now, if you would like to turn, you're doing that rock, recover, and your lock, step back, just like you would any other time. But instead of rocking back, recovering, you're going to do a half and a half pivot. So we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your right foot, you're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, and as you put your weight onto your left foot, this is going to start your lock step forward. So we did that pivot. Now as you step with the left, you're going to go right into your left lock step, bringing that right foot in and behind your left, and step that left foot forward. Whichever way you choose is fine. In the demos, I did rotate between the two. So let's try it one time through without turning, and then one time through with turning with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to rock with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is your even wall choice or your non-turning choice. Now let's try it with that turn. Weight's on your left. You're rocking 1, 2, 3, and 4. Half 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your half of your pivot's going to count as that 6 count. So as you step and start that pivot, that's your 6 count, and you will finish that pivot as part of your lock step forward. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. When I do it with steps, I am going to do the turning option because wall 1 is that turning option wall. When we do it with counts, I will do the rock so that you can see kind of the difference. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step and your hip roll. So it's step, roll, together, step, roll, together. Lock, step, forward, rock, recover, quarter touch, hold, side point, hold, ball, crossing shove, fold, quarter back, side, cross, rock, recover, ball, rock, forward, recover, lock, step, back, recover, half turning hip bump, quarter turning hip bump, cross, 8, 3, 8, sailor step, side, hold, behind, side, cross, quarter, pivot, now your hip rolls, side, hold, behind, side, cross, quarter, pivot, full turn, half, rocking chair, step out, and sway your hips to the right and the left, rock forward, recover, lock, step back, half, step, lock, step forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step and your hip roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that would be if you choose to rotate, that rock back in your lock step will be what you do on all of the even walls. So odd walls, it's that turn. Even walls, it's a rock into the lock step. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 2. So we'll be doing our first time on the back wall. You're going to dance up to 48 counts, which is your side hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot, and your full turn. You'll come back to 12 o'clock and start the dance over again, facing 12 o'clock, just like you would if we were continuing the rotations with the wall. So let's face the back wall. We're going to dance those 48 counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping with our right and rolling. So it's step, roll, together, step, lock, step, rock, recover, quarter touch, hold side point, hold ball, crossing shove, full quarter back, side cross rock, recover, ball forward rock, recover, lock, step, back, rock, recover, turning hip bump, half and quarter, and then your cross eighth, side, 3/8 sailor step, side, hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot, and your 2 hip rolls, side, hold, behind side cross, step, quarter pivot, and your half, half. Right here, you're going to start the dance all over again with your step rolls. Now the dance ends naturally facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending, which is also quite nice. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice both variations of the ending as well as what that restart is. So on the odd walls, I'm going to do the turn, and on the even walls, I'm going to do the rock recover. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step forward with your roll. So it's step, roll, together, lock, step, forward, rock, recover, quarter touch, hold side point, hold ball, crossing shove, full quarter back, side, cross rock, recover, ball rock, recover, lock, step, back, rock, back, recover, half hip bump, quarter hip bump, cross 8, side 3, sailor step, side, hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot, now your hip rolls, side, hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot, full turn, rocking chair, out with your sways, rock, recover, lock it back. Now I'm going to do the turn, half step, half lock, step forward, short wall. We're going to dance 48 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart, step, together, step, lock, step, rock, recover, quarter turn, touch, hold, step, point, hold, ball, crossing shove, full quarter back, side cross rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, lock it back, rock back, recover, half hip bump, quarter hip bump, cross A, side 3, sailor step, side, hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot in your hip rolls, side, hold, behind side cross, quarter pivot, full turn, rocking chair, forward and back, out, and sway your hips. Now your rock, recover, lock it back, and your half step, half lock, step forward. This is going to just be the rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn sharks. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Trouble, brothers in the rocky waters, hide away your sons and daughters, eat you alive. Levels, let them see your struggles, hiding your tears. Crisis, take advantage of your niceness, cut you up in even slices, prey on your fear. You think you're better than them, better than them. You think they're really your friends, really your friends. But when it comes to the end, you're just the same as them, same as them. So let it go, that's the way that it goes. First you're in, then you're out, everybody knows. You're hot, then you're cold, you're a lot in the dark. Just you wait and you see that you're swimming with sharks. Coming to get you, ooh, ooh. Coming to get you, coming to get you, ooh, ooh. Coming to get you, Every time my heart is beating, I can feel the recipe. I wonder if my day is gonna blame it on the entropy. My blood is pumping, I can see the end is right in front of me. Don't take it from me.